Once again in speaking session today I wanted to talk with you a different topic. Actually we are talking about improving our speaking skill, particularly in English. When you are trying to speak with someone, then there are a lot of questions came in your mind: how I can communicate well, how I can elaborate myself. So there are a lot of things you should do for improving your speaking skill. So I wanted to share another famous topic, another familiar topic for improving your speaking skill. It's hobbies. Hobbies means your extracurricular activities. Different people have different hobbies. Like if I talk about myself, if I like to do anything in my life, if I have free time, then I indulge myself, then I will try to indulge myself in sports. So it's your hobby. I'm not nominating you have a specific hobby in your life. You have a different kind of hobbies in your life. It can be sports, it can be reading books, it can be collecting coins, it can be collected information, it can be collected information related to all around the world, and it can be your thinking habits, style, anything you have. But one specific thing came in this topic: when you have a free time, then it's called your hobbies. So if you think that you have to improve yourself regarding speaking, communication, sharing ideas, all the things that is key for your promoting yourself, then definitely hobbies is part and parcel of your life. Lot of things that came in your life and you have to prove yourself. But if you talk about hobbies, then it's mandatory for your grooming. If you think that every person have same hobbies, then it's not possible. If your mind is different, then definitely you have a different hobby. If my mind is different, then I used to play different games, might be used to do another acts in your life, but it's totally depends upon your interest. If you think that my hobbies according to my society point of view, then it's can be. But if you think that I am different from others, I am not according to the situation of others, like if other people have different environment, my environment totally different from others, then it can be. But if you think that all the time your hobbies remain same, then it can't be in your life. Hobbies are the extracurricular activities you should indulge yourself, and you should collect information regarding your hobbies. Like if you have a hobby playing cricket, football, any other game, then you must aware about all the things. Like if any league, any tournament is going, then you must watch matches regarding this, because it's your hobby. When you will watch, then lot of new information you can get through tournaments, through different leagues. Even then, if you will go to your uh, home afterward in ground, then you can feel relaxed, you can enjoy your all the moments that you spend in ground. If you are feeling tired, then definitely you need to go to ground, another part of your life, then it's very easy for you to enjoy yourself. And if you think that everything is achievable, then it's possible, everything you can do in your life. But hobbies should be in your life. It's extracurricular activities, and it should be in your life on regular basis. And if you think that there should be connection between your sports and physical health, like hobbies might be your sports, then it's a great connection between sports and physical health, because your hobbies relate to sports, and sports connection have a with physical health. Your physical or mental health is very mandatory, it's very obligatory for your practically life. And if you think that I just spend my time with my friends, colleagues, and family members, but you are not focusing on your hobbies or your activities, then might be you can face a lot of challenges in future. So my main motive behind that just promote your ideas regarding speaking, particularly in English. So we are taking different topics on regular basis and trying to talk on it, because if you will speak well, if you can communicate well, then you can easily exchange your ideas with others. So don't think too much about your past life. You should enjoy your life in present moments, but you should think a little bit about your future.